Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was thinking of creating a real life project on using like Supabase and SvelteKit. So I have seen multiple videos on YouTube. Some are creating Pokemon thing or some are creating just to do apps which not have any real world use case. This is the idea which I have thought of. So what we will be doing is we will be using Supabase and SvelteKit, and Supabase will be storing all the data in the Postgres database, and so we will also be using some extensions. So it would be good for the people watching the video, like they will know how Postgres extension can be enabled in Supabase and all. So I will be using PostGIS extension, which is like geographical extension, to store the points like x, y axis, coordinates, longitude, latitude in the database, and then filter out those on basis of some radius or boxing area. So that will cover in subsequent videos. So this is just an intro of the project that we will be creating. So we have some users, like there won't be any authentication or anything. This is simple SvelteKit SPA. We won't be using SSR also because I don't think we would be needing it. So let me explain what we will be creating. There are just two features on the application. Number one is anyone can post a message on the particular location which they are currently on, and second one is they can see nearby messages within X meter radius, let's say 100-meter radius. So we will be storing all the data, like posting message, that will be a post request to Supabase SDK directly. So it will also cover everything about how to initialize Supabase and how to use the Supabase SDK without like we won't be using REST API, we will be using Supabase SDK that internally use REST APIs only. So this is the basic idea of the project. I hope you would enjoy it. And also at the end of the video I will be launching it on Product Hunt. It won't matter like if we get any users or not, but this will be more like a tutorial kind of project. So I will be trying to finish it within 2 days. That would be a challenge for me. So I'm excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's end the video. If you like the video, to hit the like button, and for more such content, to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video.